Hello everybody, this is Lauren of Plan Mosh Plan. Welcome back to another plan with me. This week I am memory planning the week of May 10th in my Aura Estelle A5 wide cloud planner with caress press inserts. I used this Hello Petite Paper kit that I've actually had since last year, although I'm sure it's probably still available, just not the foiled version that I'm using. There it is. It is so, I love Hello Petite Paper. I love her kits. They're so different than anything else on the market because she hand draws all of her artwork, which I appreciate so much. I have so much appreciation in my heart for shops that do that. Again, this kit I bought last year, so it's her old format. I know she recently updated her format. I got some more kits in her newest format, but yeah, I picked it up last year. So I pick with Hello Petite Paper always. I pick up 3 versions of her kit. So what I've just showed you, including that little header thing, that was her full kit at the time. I got 2 pieces of add-on deco sheets. So those are add-ons. I buy the mini kit, which has a lot of extra boxes and icons and stuff. And then this is the Hobonichi kit right here. So I literally buy all 3 kinds of kits that she offers to plan with her stuff, just because I think this has changed a little bit since she reformatted her kits, but up until recently she had a ton of stuff in her kits that I don't really use that took up a lot of space, like checklists and stuff like that. So getting the add-ons that had extra boxes and labels and smaller boxes and stuff that I do use was really beneficial for me. This page, I'm kind of zooming through it really quickly here, but this page that I'm showing you, it wasn't cut, not at all really. So I had to hand cut it, and I just wanted to show you so you could see that I was the one cutting it. So that's why the stickers look so kind of jacked down there. But yeah, okay, I'm going to get into, as always, I like to answer a couple questions while I'm laying down the base, and then I'll start talking about the stickers and the plans when I get into the day by day. So the next question that I have on my list, I get these from my Instagram. I ask every once in a while for questions on my Instagram, is from Loris OX. She asked about experiences with and thoughts about Peloton and Noom thus far. If you're new here, my husband got a Peloton for us back in December, and I also started Noom around that time too. So Peloton, I have all good things to say about it. It's really a great bike and product, I think. I haven't been using it so much just because for me personally, I'm trying to focus on walking and anaerobic exercise a little bit more for weight loss. That's just always been something that works well for me. But I do think it's really good. I really like not just the bike part of it, but the app with the yoga and meditation, and you can do whatever you want, arms, all sorts of stuff. So highly recommend even just the app if your HSA will cover it or something like that. I know sometimes health insurance will cover it. Totally recommend it. I really like it. I do miss my flywheel classes and stuff. Pre-pandemic, I did a lot of exercise classes like that. And then Noom, I want to be careful when talking about Noom. I've mentioned this before, but I am super sensitive to not wanting to talk too much about diet and stuff on here, just because it's such a lot to unpack. There's so much of diet culture and health and all of that, and I know it affects different people in different ways, and I never want anybody to look at me and be like, well, she's on a diet and she looks like that and I look like this, and should I be on a diet? Or I don't know, there's just a million other things too, just diet culture in general, and being healthy at any size, all of that. I'm super sensitive to that, and I think I would probably be in a better place with my life if societally that stuff all didn't apply, but it does. So I'll just say, for me personally, I have really enjoyed Noom. It has reset a lot of really toxic diet culture kind of things in my brain and stuff that I thought previously about weight loss. I felt like I knew a lot going into it because I've been a yo-yo dieter my whole life. But it really reset a lot of that, and it feels really realistic and smart and sustainable for me personally. But as always, don't take my advice. Please talk to your doctor if you're going to do anything like that. The next question, let's see, is from Jen of Hold Me in His Plans. She just, I think, gave me the topic of holidays. And I'll just say, I mean, I love holidays. I don't really know what else to say. Here's the thing. I have a motto, which is never a bad time for champagne. So I'll take any excuse that I can. That just means to me, if there's a good reason to celebrate, I'll take it, whatever it is. Like, no reason too small. So holidays fall into that category for me. I am always down to have an excuse to have a good time. Loris OX asked a couple more. She said, thoughts on the evolution and current trajectory of the planner community. And then she said, looking forward as always to your plan with me. Thank you. I so appreciate that. That's a big one, huh? I didn't think about this beforehand. Thoughts on the evolution. I think it's evolved to be a lot more niche and maybe that's a personal thing, because I also feel like when you join the planner community, a lot of times your head is spinning and you're like, oh my God, do I want a functional plan? Do I want a minimal plan? Do I want a plum paper planner? Do I want to go rings? Do I want to go Hobonichi strings? Whatever. So, and then like as you are in it for a couple years, you kind of find your flow and find your style, and it becomes a little more niche for you. But I also feel like when I joined, there was like Happy Planners and Erin Condren's, and that was kind of it. And it's become this like super niche thing where now there's so many different kinds of sticker shops that like, do so many different things, and they all function super differently. So I think that's great. I think it's really cool. I love to see the creativity. I love to see more people joining. I feel like there was a big boom of people that joined at the beginning of the pandemic last year, and I feel like it is slowing down, and it'll probably continue to slow down a little bit more as the world opens up and social activities become more acceptable, and we're not just all at home looking for something to do at our houses. So but as always, I've been here for a really long time and I love it, and I am always happy to see new people join, and like just the creativity that comes along with it. I love it. I really do. Okay, so I'm going to go into the day by day here. In the sidebar, I'll talk a little bit about the sidebar. I used a lot of Sadie Stickers dividers. I think all the dividers are from Sadie Stickers. And then as well as like the flowers and daisies and stuff, those are from Sadie Stickers. Some of the banners are from Sadie Stickers. One of them is from the one on top that I layered over the Hello Petite Paper banner. That one's from My Spoiled Planner, and then the ones at the bottom are from Olive Planner Co. So that's kind of the sidebar. Let me know if you have any other questions. So on Monday, I marked that Steven had his first day at his new job. I used a lot of stickers from the kit, and then again, Sadie Stickers flowers and a Pretty Pink Co. bow. The icon is one of Hello Petite Paper's icons, not from the kit though. And then of course I cut up a lot of the florals. I also marked that I came up with some collab prompts. I think I was working on the collab that I was doing with Kiara at this point. So I just cut up some deco and put that over a, what is that called? Wait, they're stationary clipboard. I also marked that I edited and pre-scheduled a plan with me. I don't know if that was the one with Kira. I don't remember, honestly. I don't know. Might have been the one with Tay and Rachel. I really don't remember. And then I marked a call that I had down below too. Most of the icons that I used, all the colored ones, are either from Wait There Stationery or Hello Petite Paper. I bought a bunch of Hello Petite Paper icons recently. You're going to see them in an upcoming haul soon, I think. And I pulled in a lot of them here to use. I really like to have her icons pretty much solely to use with her kits because her style is so consistent and cohesive. It really makes spreads look very cohesive in my opinion. I do feel like the latest batch of icons that she came out with are a little bit more, someone said this in a haul, I think, and I can't remember who, and I totally agreed with them when they said it. They're a little bit more, it might have been Nicole. I don't know. They're a little bit more red toned, I think, than the previous ones were a little more pinky toned, and they worked with this spread because there was like peaches and stuff in this spread, but I was like, oh shoot, they're going to be a little bit less usable in other spreads because I feel like mid-toned pinks that are a little cool toned tend to be the most like neutral pinks to pull into other spreads. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay, so On to Tuesday, I marked my meetings. I did this the same way every day, so I'll talk about it another day. I marked grocery shopping. I uploaded a haul on this day, and then I marked editing and doing a voiceover as well. The deco stickers, the banners from Sadie Stickers. I use the My Spoiled Planner bows throughout this spread. They're my favorite ones. They're on my freebie with her shop. And I think a piece of honey inked gold foil deco too. I also marked that I started logging again. Speaking of Noom, I started logging in Noom again. I was really kind of took off the month of April, I feel like, because like Easter marked when, for me and my family, when we were all vaccinated, and like life started happening again for me, and it was kind of hard to go from being at home. Like I started in December of last year, and I was pretty much home and in control of every single thing that I ate, right? And like could log it and weigh it and all this stuff. Because I was making it. But then April kind of started where I was going out to eat a lot and eating with other people and at restaurants and stuff. So, more than like once a week or something. So I kind of took a month off of doing it. I still had a lot of the concepts and stuff in mind. I just wasn't logging. So I marked that I started logging again in May. Okay, on to Wednesday, I cut up a floral and I like to do this all the time. If you've watched my Plan With Me's, it's not new. Oh, something got cut off there. I apologize. Anyways, wasn't too much. I just marked cutting up a floral. I marked doing a little office workout. Sometimes I'll just I don't always mark this, but sometimes if I'm like getting stuck or bored in the middle of the day, I'll take like 10 or 15 minutes and just do some like squats and sit-ups and that kind of stuff to kind of like feel better and refocus. I also marked doing a cooking stories, and I did a little scene with a Sweet Bella XOXO, like doily at the bottom, and some of those daisy stickers that I've been using from Sadie Stickers. Okay, on Thursday, I marked that I did a self-care morning. I just kind of took it slow and did like a face mask and stuff like that in the morning. Got up early to like have a really nice relaxing shower and all that. So I marked that with those daisy stickers, the circular ones. I use those a lot throughout the spread. That's all part of a Sadie Stickers release. I think most of them are available in her shop right now, actually, at the time that I'm posting the video. Marked the meetings again. That little small box is from the Hobonichi kits, and probably the main reason why I buy her Hobonichi kits, because I love that she has boxes that don't go the full width of the column included. The size of those are so great. I marked a mental health training that I took at work this day. That was like the epitome of just like corporate BS of like training. It was like supposed to make you like be better about your mental health, but it was like, here's tips if you're stressed. Walk outside. Give someone a hug. You're like, God, this is worthless. Why am I taking my time to do this? Anyways, sorry. So let's see. I used a coffee cup from her, and then, of course, cutting up florals. That little third box, it was from the Sticker Garden. That was a gift from her. She doesn't have a shop, but she currently has a collab with Sadie Stickers right now that's up in Sadie Sticker Shop. And I'm like, go check her out, because she doesn't sell her stickers, but you can get them with like via Sadie Stickers right now, her design. So definitely go check that out. I also marked walking to go get some like fresh fruit and berries and stuff in the afternoon and posting a plan with me. Friday I marked payday, and then I marked something that I have to send out to my company once a month. That's always a big deal, so a lot of times I mark it. I really just love using those white deer stationery clipboards. So did that with some florals. And then I also marked that I filmed a collab. Again, I don't remember. I think I was working on both the collab that I did with Kiara, as well as the collab that I did with Rachel and Tay at this time. So I used a White Deer Stationery, a Magic Prince Co. film clapboard for that, with some stickers from the kit. I also marked that late this evening, Steven and I ran to the grocery store to pick up some stuff to make cocktails. It was like late at night, and we were supposed to be bringing cocktails to something we were doing the next day. So we ran in there, and we were like, oh man, we feel old. It was like a bunch of, younger people in there. They're clearly out partying and stuff, and we're like in our sweats. I want to mark too what I just did on Saturday. It was totally inspired by Tay. She has been doing this thing where she uses like flourishes and then puts a flower at the end of it. And I tried it because I loved what she did in our collab, our Inspired by collab, so much that I was like, I need to give that a try. So that is definitely inspired by her. I also cut up some florals from the kit and used some honey inked deco. The butterflies that I used throughout this spread too, I don't think I've mentioned. I was using those as like deco a lot, and those were from Olive Planner Co., I think. Okay, on Saturday we went boating. This was our first boating trip of the season with our good family friends. So in the morning before we left, I went to Starbucks, so I marked that with some stuff from the kit up above, as well as the heart is from the Pretty Pink Co., I think, and yeah, the rest is from Hello Petite Paper. So I marked boating here. I thought this was cute. I took one of the like blue scallops from the Hobonichi kit and cut that up and put it there, and then put some wave foil deco from Letters to Apollo over it because I thought it kind of looked like water, and I don't know, I thought it was cute. And then the boat is from Harriet Wright Designs. Again, the Sadie stickers, daisy circle, and then some cut up florals from the kit to mark that it was a boating day. And that was really nice. We spent the whole day out on the water. Both my sisters were there, and Steven, and again our family friends, and it was just so nice to like spend the day out on the water. So relaxing. Oh, and I also marked that we got up early and made cocktails for this. We brought wine and beer and all the stuff, but Steven and I also made it ended up being kind of like a rum punch. It was good. I don't really love punch. We'll have to experiment. We kind of just didn't follow a recipe, just made it up as we went. But it was all good. And then I did some floral deco again, cut up something from the kit and used some honey ink deco and all that down at the bottom. I also marked that we got Taco Bell on the way back because we were not about to cook. I used a burger and fries because in my mind it's fast food. So like that works, even though Taco Bell does not have burger and fries, but I wanted to use them because I just got those stickers from Hello Petite Paper. Okay, on Sunday, I am marking that I finished filming one of those collabs. I don't know which one. Again, so many stickers here, it's almost hard to name. So I layered a Crafts by Towie square sticker, foiled square sticker, over one from the Hobonichi kit. The planner is from the Pretty Pink Co. The daisy on the right is from Sadie Stickers, and the wildflower on the left is from Honey Inked. Ooh, that's a lot. I marked doing a voiceover with some Hello Petite Paper stickers there. Again, the butterflies are from Olive Planner Co. that I used all throughout the spread. And then here, I'm taking another one of those Sticker Garden third boxes. Pretty Pink Co., I think I'm waiting to get mine in the mail. I just ordered them, but I think she has a similar one if you're looking for a shop where you can purchase that kind of box from. I know that Mihawk said that she was going to send or make them when I was talking about them, and she released them, but I just bought them the other day, so I don't have them yet to confirm it's totally the same thing. Anyways, the wildflower deco that I just put down is from Miss Meow. I also marked that we had a pizza night at my parents' house. This was a good one. Whole family was there. And it just felt like summer, felt like, oh my gosh, we weren't able to do this last summer, and it was just so fun. I always post on my stories whenever we do them because they're just like the best thing ever. And then I also marked that I did a like this or that planner thing on my Instagram stories, which I don't normally post what I post on my Instagram stories in my planner, but that one took a while because it was creating a million graphics to do that, so it took a big chunk of time out of my day. Anyways, this is the final spread. I did film me putting all the stickers in my leftover sticker book. This is going to be like a full kit for whoever receives it, but I guess I didn't include that footage, sorry. But it'll be really great for whoever receives it. Anyways, that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.